Ai!
And if Cobra Kai does not name a replacement for Kwan Jae Sung, Axel Kovacevic will be named the boys' champion.
We gotta face the facts. We lost.
Cobra Kai has named a replacement. Joining Tori Nichols on Team Cobra Kai will be Miguel Diaz.
Não cessa no fim de semana.